Hi guys, I want to cover my trades that I took on July 7th and 8th. That's Monday and Tuesday. I had 3 trades, 2 wins and 1 loss, and let's get into it. So first, looking at the pound dollar on Monday, looking at the daily candles, I did like the fact that we had a number of indecision candles on the daily. You can see them at this point. I also like the fact that we had really a nice leaning ghost pattern here on the pound. And I used that information to place the trade that I took. You can see my entry. And what I did was, once price went to this area, I actually moved my stop. I moved it up right to there. And this was kind of a dumb move. I'm not really sure why I did that. I should have just left it here. But I didn't think that we'd get a pullback this deep. We did. It came back and just barely knocked me out. So I only gained about, I want to say, 8 pips on this trade, and I should have had 20. But shoulda, coulda, woulda. It was a winning trade for right around 8 pips, so it was profitable. My second trade on the pound dollar was a loss. Again, when I look at the daily candles, we had some indecision. I thought that maybe the price was going to go back down to this area right here on the daily. And it still might. We had 1, 2, 3. I was looking for a fourth wave. We had a pretty good push downward, then a pullback. There's my entry pattern with the double tap, and price just went against me and I got knocked out, minus 15 on that trade. My other trade on the euro dollar, daily on the euro dollar, you can see we have some nice reversal candles here. And really what I'm anticipating for a longer term type of idea is that we have somewhat of a core trade here. We did break this trend with a higher high, pull back with a higher low, with some nice indecision candles, some reversal candles here. So now I'm anticipating price going to a higher high. I'm not sure if that's exactly going to happen or not, but that's what I'm anticipating, some strength on the euro, and that was my general theme. Also, we did have a 3-point turn here on the M8. But as you can see, I did draw a triangle here, and I got in watching the M5. I dropped down to an M5 level. We did have a little bit of a double tap here. I entered, and then I drew this triangle, and this is really, I think I've only done this one time before. What I did was, on this trend line, I made it a P buy, and I bought when price crossed this this trend line here, the break of the triangle area, the flag, or whatever you want to call it, and I got some extra pips there. Went up, and I scored right around 20, I want to say 25 pips on that trade. I exited when we had some congestion in this area. Not a great week, but I'm in profit, and we'll see if I can bring it up to my goal of 50 pips for the week.